Okay, so this is the question from IPM Indore 2023. Here we are given F1, which is 1, Fn, which is this much, 3n minus Fn minus 1. For n equal to 1, we are already given the value of function, and for any other value of n, which is more than 1, we are given this definition of the function. And now we need to find this value. So one observation that we should make before we start our solution is that the function is a decreasing function or reducing function. Reducing in the sense that in order to find a value of f function, you need to know the value of the function at a smaller value. For example, if you want to know the value of f10, then that will be 3 times 10 minus f10 minus 1. N minus 1 is 10 minus 1, so f9. So if you want to know the value of f10, you will have to know the value of f9. Or in other words, if you know the value of f9, you can get the value of f10. So here we are already only given the value of f1. That means we have to reduce it till f1. So if we need to find the value of f2023, I can write this as 3 times 2023 using this definition minus f2023 minus 1. That will be 2022. So now in order to find the value of f2022, we will write again 2023 minus f2022. So again, I can use this same definition. So that will be 3 times 2022. And because we have a negative sign already here, so let us put a bracket. 3 times 2022 minus f 2022 minus 1, so 2021. So if I remove the bracket, 3 times 2023 minus 3 times 2022 plus f2021. So now we will write f2021 again, and I can take 3 common from these two. So 2023 minus 2022 plus 2021. So that will be again 3 times 2021 minus f2020. So now that gives us a trend. We will get all these numbers 2023, 2022 right up till 1, and then finally we will have f1. So I can simply write that trend 2023 minus 2022 plus 2021 minus 2020, and we can continue this trend till we get to 2, right? So ultimately when we get to f2, so f2 will be 3 times 2 minus f1. So what will be the sign of 3 times 2 and f1? So as we can see, the even numbers are negative. Even numbers are negative and odd numbers are positive. So 2 is an even number in this trend. So 2 will be negative and f1 that will be positive. So when I complete this series, so 3 is already here. I will have to only put 2 with a minus sign. And then f1 will be outside this bracket because f1 is not with a multiple of 3. So that's how we have written this series. Now we need to add this series to get to the answer. So while adding, we can again observe something, that addition of any two consecutive numbers is 1. So 2023 and 2022, because one is positive, one is negative, so the value is 1. Again, the value is 1, and so on. So we just have to find out how many pairs are there, because every pair gives us a value 1. So how many pairs are there? So starting from 2, we have all the numbers till 2023. So we can say there are 2022 numbers in this series. Starting from 1 till 2023, it would have been 2023 numbers. So we have only excluded 1. So from 2 to 2023, it is 2022 numbers. So how many pairs are there? 2022 upon 2, that means 1011 pairs. And every pair gives us a result 1. So I can say how many ones are there? 1011. If we add all those ones, so it will be 3 times 1011. And then we have and F1 outside. So the result will be this is 3033 and the value of F1 given in the question is 1. So 3033 plus 1. So it will be 3034. So that will be the answer.